Thank you for joining me. I'm sick and I'm sorry about that. Today we're going to go over United Airlines. So I've done Delta and Lufthansa and American Airlines, I think. And it would be kind of interesting to compare the four, despite the fact that they have major differences. So what they do is air travel, obviously. Current price is $77, which gives them a market cap of $19 billion. The dividend is 0, and all of the other ones were paying quite a decent dividend. So that is the significant difference between all these stocks. Current revenue, $43 billion. Earnings, $3 billion, which is up 40%. And that gives them PE of 7 with a forward PE of 5. So obviously doing very well there. Total assets, $53 billion. Total liabilities, $41 billion, which gives them total stockholders' equity of $11.5 billion. So obviously things are going the right way. And a PE of 7 and a forward PE of 5 is obviously amazing. So I would say that obviously this is the best PE of the American ones. I think Lufthansa is pretty much in line with this. And the dividend is kind of the major difference, but in the end, it doesn't really matter whether or not there's a difference because for the value investor anyway, you want to buy the company and not the stock. So the dividend is just a way to get money out of the company, and if you're buying the whole company, obviously you get all the profit anyway. So in the end, there should be no difference between the two. But for now, and because my purchasing power is quite minimal, the dividend kind of helps a lot. So I would prefer something like Lufthansa with a decent dividend to something like United Airlines with no dividend. But as I said, in the end, it shouldn't really matter. The PE is what matters, and the revenue growth and the earnings growth and the balance sheet, and pretty much everything here looks better than all of the others. So for that reason, if you're a value investor, you should probably look into the stock. If you're a dividend investor, obviously you should not. And if you're a growth investor, I really don't think that there's significant growth to be had, even especially in the current situation. So obviously you might want to hold off on this and see how things look next year. But I really don't think that there will be even double-digit growth in the revenue over the next few years. So that's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.